What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building. Today, we're about to do a little update on this Draco Micro Vis. Alright, so my wood man been working diligently on getting this together, and we are basically gonna go ahead and get a new wood for this, new pistol grip for this, and I'm gonna change this trigger out and do some things to the Micro Visca. But now I got a site that I want to check out. All right, and here is the site. This is the Gowatar. Gowatar. Here, look at it. You try to pronounce that. The Gowatar. HHCA18. This is a enclosed emitter red dot, and I decided to go with this because one, this right here runs about $200, so it's not as expensive as the Hollow Suns, and it's not as expensive as all the other stuff. It's still right at $200, but not as expensive, and I think the profile of this would sit decent on the micro. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and put it on and see exactly how good it is. All right, and I think that it might work out. I've heard decent things about this, but we're about to see for ourselves. So let's go ahead and get a better look. Also, I want to say that just in case you haven't checked them out, go check out the unboxing and review of my Prodigy DS. Nice gun. Like it a lot. Got big things in the work for this. And go check out the unboxing and review of the Kimber KDS9. This is the Kimber KDS9. Go ahead and check it out. All right, so here we go. This is the box that it comes in. Nothing special, and it has this on the side. Let's go ahead and pop that and let's get her on up out of the box. All right, and first let's go ahead and take a look at this. It's 7075 aluminum construction, anodized finish, has a 1 MOA per click windage, an elevation, 10 brightness settings, waterproof, shockproof, fogproof, has an RMR footprint adapter plate and a Picatinny rail mount. So, it's ready for a pistol, shotgun, and rifle. All right, so let's get that out. We have an instruction manual right here. We have cleaning rag. Here is the site. Sit that to the side. What else we got in here? We have adapter plates right here, and we have a battery. We have Allen wrenches, and we have screws. All right, so sit this off to the side, sit this off to the side. Now let's go ahead and get this out of the bag. All right, so it comes with an elevated rail mount on it, and I guess this is the battery housing. And I will say this, it does feel solid. It is very, very solid. And let's go ahead and take that off. and put the battery in so we can take a look at what this dot looks like. Now let's get that in there. I did not really see as far as how long the battery lasts, but one thing that I did note is that it said it has shake awake technology on it. So I guess you can leave it on and it will shake awake. All right, let's see if we can find the dot in there. There is the dot. And the dot looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Now, I know this is not as expensive as some of the other options that you can get, but $200 ain't that cheap. Well, I'm saying 200. It was like 188, I believe it is. And you can get this off Amazon for 188 bucks. And that's what the dot looks like. And like I said, this does have shake awake technology, and there is your windage and elevation, so, and the construction is very, very solid. Does not feel cheap whatsoever. Does not feel cheap whatsoever. And like I said, I actually do like the way the dot looks in there. Let me move it back some. Yeah, so this is even further away from the camera. And yes, you can still see that dot pretty good, even though we are further away from the camera. Let me move this bag out the way so you're looking on a black background. So yes, I like the way the dot shows up, and this is a 1 MOA dot. And hold on, let me move this stuff out of the way. Here is the weapon that it will be mounted on. The only way it will fit on the rail is with the riser. And I'm going to tell you right now, I am not going to leave this on here. That is not going to work for me. I am not going to leave this on here. I am going to go get another one of my weapons and see what it looks like on a pistol, because the only way it fits on this is with the riser, and I do not like that look. I would rather go without it on there than to put this on here. I would rather not, and I would rather use the iron sights than have this on here. So hold on just a minute. Let me go get one of my guns and we will mount it on a pistol. Hold on a second. All right, I'm back. So let's sit this off to the side, and here is a Springfield Echelon. So let's take this sight off of the Echelon. Okay, so we have this sight off of the Echelon, and let's see what plate fits on here. Here we go. This one fits. And let's get the screws. All right. So now it is on there. And I got a big mess. I got stuff sitting everywhere. Let me grab all of this stuff and sit it over here to the side so I don't lose anything. Set this sight over to the side. And now let's go ahead take this off of the gun that I originally planned on putting it on. Now we can go ahead, put it on this one. There we go. All right. So here we go. It is on there and it is snug, and that is correct plate and all that. So here it is. It is on here. It is a closed emitter, and this is, it actually doesn't look that bad on here, and it actually looks pretty good. Hold on. Let's see. It is definitely going to have to get sighted in, but actually looks pretty good from the jump. Looks pretty good from the jump. All right. And this is the HHC A18. HHC A18. And we are going to get this and basically get it to the range and see how it shoots, see how everything works on it, see if it's something that we like, see if it's something that is okay, or, and all that. And I personally do not plan on doing any torture tests, because I am not about to throw my gun down. Not about to do any of that. But we will see how good it holds zero, see how good everything works on it, see how good all that. And hold on just a moment. This is the Springfield Echelon now with the HHC A18. And as far as who produces this, it is Gowatar. Gowatar. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but here it is, closed emitter, mailbox style, like I've heard it called before. And it does look great on here as far as how the dot works. I'm looking at the dot now, and yes, you can see it, and can't see any fingerprints. I know I have fingerprints on it, but you can't see any of that. And the sight picture is great looking through it. The sight picture is great. Hit me in the comments. Tell me what you think. This is, here you go. This is the HHC A18 or A18, HHC A18. Now, here is the Hollow Sun 507C ACSS. Let you see that. Here is the profile of the Hollow Sun. And I also here recently tried out the Red Wind Cobra. This is the Red Wind Cobra. Here, this is the profile of this one. All right. So tell me your thoughts. Tell me what you think, and we'll get this to the range and we'll do a couple of shots with it. Go ahead and get the zero right. Go ahead and get everything the way it needs to be and see how it holds up zero. See how everything holds up. But, as far as the installation, easy installation, fits right on the plate. And as far as the build quality seems great. Everything seems great about it. So, like I said, you can find these on Amazon, and like I say, I believe they go for about $188 on Amazon. So right under $200, right under $200. So let's go ahead and see how this is. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe. Make sure you hit them notifications so you get notified every time I drop a video. Johnny Snow up out of there.